Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the site and gathering what the move needs. First, clear nearby threats so you won't be interrupted. This keeps structures safe while you work. Then, open your storage and shift high-value or fragile items into a designated chest or your inventory so nothing is lost. Once done, enter the Build or Base Management menu and use the Deconstruct/Pack option on modular pieces. This converts them into portable components you can carry or transfer. Move quickly, but deliberately. Now you transfer components to the new site while maintaining orientation. Load packed modules into your carry inventory, vehicle, or crate system so nothing is left behind. Prioritize foundations and power conduits first. Once at the destination, place a relocation beacon to fix the base orientation and grid alignment. This prevents crooked builds and misaligned doors. After that, preview blueprints and check ground slope. Make sure the foundation will sit level so structural connections snap correctly when you rebuild. Finish by reconstructing in a logical order so systems come online predictably. You rebuild foundations first to secure the footprint, then restore generators and power lines so workstations have electricity once connected. Next, reinstall storage, crafting stations, and defensive pieces, testing each system as you go. If something doesn't snap or a doorway is misaligned, don't panic. Remove the last placed piece, nudge the relocation beacon a small amount, and try again. This troubleshooting tip resolves most placement errors without full teardown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.